Hello. Sometimes parents complain that I don't stop bad or strange behavior in their children. If that is their main concern, I suggest them they should go to a behavioral therapy or an educational therapy. But I want the child to feel accepted and worthy. I always tell them, children don't come to me to learn rules. They come to me to learn that they are that they have value, that they are special, and that they are worthy. That is what I am teaching them. And that goes for all children, of course. I remember my mother-in-law. She was a good woman and a good grandmother, but she had no ideas about children and rules. She lived next door, so she came very regularly. My 3 children were probably playing harmoniously together, or each on his own. There was peace in the house, everything fine, until my grandmother came in. Their grandmother came in. She was like the red cloth for the bull. Her interaction with the children was always intervening with their activities, was always correcting. She wanted to teach them something. I remember my son, when he was 3 years old, he started to draw a man. You know how small children draw a man, just a circle, legs and arms, eyes and a mouth. That's it. So she told him that we have a neck. Look, we have a neck. I remember my children made a theater play once, and they wanted to play it for us as an audience. So we were sitting and waiting for them to start. My mother-in-law came in and she was going to see it as well. So she said, we are going to watch it and then we will comment. They all shouted, "Out with you!" Children want to get credit for what they do, and especially in playing. And autistic children get corrected so often during the day. They have to comply to so many of our demands at school, at therapies. It's very hard. Imagine your husband or your wife wants to correct you all the time, and we do that, of course. We do that, but it's not nice. Your boss complaining all the time about the things you do wrong. You would feel bad. That's what's happening with an autistic child as well. What I want the child to learn is that he is worthy. I can play Monopoly with any child or whatever play or whatever game. He can make up the rules, it's fine, it's okay. Because if he needs to win, he can win in this environment which is secure, which allows everything. That is how children will grow. Next time, I will talk to you about how to react when the children really pass a line. Thanks for now. Bye-bye.